Right, good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our morning message. Now we're going to start or continue talking all about thoughtful choices. And yesterday we read our story about Charlie Chipmunk, who made some wise, safe, and kind choices. Now we're going to shift our brain a little bit. I want you to think about a helpful choice that you can make. Now, what I mean by helpful is something that does something for someone else or yourself that helps you out. For instance, if mommy drops all of her grapes on the floor, what would be a helpful choice to make? Right? It would be very helpful for you to bend down and pick it up for her because she is way farther from the ground, boys and girls. So yes, and also it's a big, big mess. She needs help to clean it up. So if mommy spills something, it is so helpful for you to help her pick it up or clean up something if she asks for it. So I want us to think for just a second. We're going to write our morning message and then we'll talk about it, okay? So first things first, listen. Here's our morning message. Who makes helpful choices? Can you say that? One more time. Who makes helpful choices? Now before you answer, let's write it. Here we go. Who makes, what's the first sound you hear in makes? The letter M. Helpful. What's the first sound you hear in helpful? The letter H. Who makes helpful choices? What's the first sound you hear in choices? Ch, ch, ch. There are two letters that say that sound, and it is CH. CH says ch. Now, listen. When Ms. Velasquez says, who makes helpful choices? Am I telling you something or asking you something? I'm asking you something because Ms. Velasquez wants to know who makes helpful choices. So I put a big old question mark. Now, let's read it really quickly. Ready? Let's read it. Ready? Who makes helpful choices? Your turn. Ready? Read. Now, what is a helpful choice? If Ms. Velasquez says, what's a helpful choice? What am I talking about? Yeah, and when you make a helpful choice for yourself or anybody else, what happens to somebody's heart? Right, it grows bigger. Making helpful choices is awesome and it's so kind. So now let's answer that question. Who makes helpful choices? Tell me, who makes helpful choices? Yes, you make helpful choices. Who else makes helpful choices? Right, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, Miss Velasquez, your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your whole family. Everyone can make a helpful choice. It's just up to you to do so. All right, let's go ahead and count some syllables. All right. Who? Get your rock ready. Who? Ready, go. How many? Who? One syllable. Makes. Makes. Ready, go. How many? Makes. One syllable. Good job. Helpful. Get your rock ready. Helpful. Ready, go. How many? Helpful. Two syllables. Good job. Choices. Get your rock ready. Choices. Ready, go. How many? Choices. Two syllables. Very good, boys and girls. Now, you're going to be answering a question, or you already answered a question. You told me a helpful choice that you can make at home today, and I can't wait to hear all about the helpful choice you made.